The changing of seasons is a natural phenomenon that has been studied by scientists for centuries. One of the most fascinating aspects of this cycle is the fact that the Earth experiences winter when the Sun is closer and summer when the Sun is farther away. This may seem counterintuitive, but it is due to the tilt of the Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is an imaginary line that runs from the North to the South Pole, around which the Earth rotates. The tilt of the Earth's axis is what causes the changing of seasons. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of approximately 23.5 degrees, which means that as the Earth revolves around the Sun, different parts of the Earth receive different amounts of sunlight throughout the year. During the summer solstice, which occurs around June 21st in the Northern Hemisphere, the Earth's North Pole is tilted towards the Sun. This means that the Northern Hemisphere receives more direct sunlight than the Southern Hemisphere, which is tilted away from the Sun. The result is longer days and shorter nights in the Northern Hemisphere, and shorter days and longer nights in the Southern Hemisphere. This tilt of the Earth's axis is what causes the summer season in the Northern Hemisphere. Conversely, during the winter solstice, which occurs around December 21st in the Northern Hemisphere, the Earth's North Pole is tilted away from the Sun. This means that the Northern Hemisphere receives less direct sunlight than the Southern Hemisphere, which is tilted towards the Sun. The result is shorter days and longer nights in the Northern Hemisphere, and longer days and shorter nights in the Southern Hemisphere. This tilt of the Earth's axis is what causes the winter season in the Northern Hemisphere. The distance between the Earth and the Sun also plays a role in the changing of seasons, but it is not the primary factor. The Earth's orbit around the Sun is not a perfect circle. It is slightly elliptical. This means that at certain times of the year, the Earth is closer to the Sun than at other times. The closest point to the Sun in the Earth's orbit is called perihelion, and it occurs around January 3rd Road. The farthest point from the Sun in the Earth's orbit is called aphelion, and it occurs around July 4th. However, the difference in distance between perihelion and aphelion is only about 3 million miles, which is relatively small compared to the Earth's average distance from the Sun of approximately 93 million miles. In conclusion, the changing of seasons is caused by the tilt of the Earth's axis, not the distance between the Earth and the Sun. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of approximately 23.5 degrees, which causes different parts of the Earth to receive different amounts of sunlight throughout the year. During the summer solstice, the Northern Hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun, while during the winter solstice, the Northern Hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun. While the distance between the Earth and the Sun does play a role in the changing of seasons, it is not the primary factor. Understanding this phenomenon is crucial for our understanding of the natural world and how it affects our daily lives.